This precise layering ensures an even infusion. The gentle press initiates the
Hello, I'm Emily from our modern rose Gulkand factory. Discover how we transform fresh roses into this sweet, healthy delight step by step.
The moisture content is optimal on this row.
Good, let's start picking for the Gulkand.
This one has dry spots, discard it. The rest are approved.
Humidity levels are stable in crate 3.
Is the tension holding steady on your side?
Yes, reading 0.5 psi, we are secure.
Updates received. Cargo temperature is stable at 10 Celsius. Logging optimal readings now.
There's the approval notification.
And the blockchain ledger is updated. We're all set. At 60, looks good. Proceed with unloading. Check the softness on this batch.
Too stiff, divert to compost.
Approved. Send it through.
At 6%. Noted.
The timer is almost complete.
Optimal temperature for the rose petal infusion.
Excellent. Proceed with the transfer to the cooling stage.
Okay, the route optimization cut an hour off. You need to verify the cold chain protocols before you head out.
Got it. I'll double check the temperature logs now.
Confirming all Gulkand pallets secured.
Dashboard's updated. We are green for departure.
The anti-tilt sensors ensure stability during layering. Then, the heat gun secures the shrink film.
The Gulkand shipment for Dallas is pulling out now.
All right, market departed on the app.
Stick it this cussing care. I Sandram Sekit Sirpali Kitsinge. These can quit kids.
That's our modern Rose Gulkand factory journey. I'm Emily, and thanks for watching. Enjoy this sweet, healthy delight in your recipes.